Welcome to students in my class. My name is Farah Hassan. Subscribe my channel. Let's start today's class. In today's class, I will discuss about what is simple interest and what is compounded interest. Okay. So let's start. Students, 10,000 rupees took 10,000 rupees took a loan from a bank. Okay, for 3 years. For 3 years. Takes a loan from a bank at 10% interest. Okay, so first year interest is 10% of 10,000 is 1,000 rupees. And second year same interest 1,000 rupees because 10% at 10,000 rupees. 10% of 10,000 rupees, 0 0 cancel. So 100 multiplied 10 is equal to 1,000. First year interest 1,000, second year interest 1,000, and third year interest 1,000. Okay, so after 3 years total interest is 3,000. Okay, this is principal. 10,000 rupees took as a loan from a bank. This is called principal, and this is interest. Total interest in 3,000. Sorry, total interest in 3 years equals to 3,000. So after 3 years, we will pay to bank. Total amount is equal to principal plus interest. You know that this is called principal and this is interest. So after 3 years, we pay the bank to clear the loan. Principal 10,000, interest 3,000. The total amount is 13,000. So this is simple interest. Okay. Now discuss about the compounded interest. Compounded interest. It was 10,000 rupees took as a loan. 10,000 rupees took as a loan from a bank for 3 years. Same situation at 10% per annum, but on compounded interest. 10,000 took as a loan from a bank, but compounded interest. Okay, 10 at 10% per annum. So first year interest is 1,000 rupees. Same situation, 1,000 rupees interest. Okay, but second year interest calculate on 10,000 rupees plus 1,000 rupees, means principal plus interest. Interest calculate on 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000 rupees. 10% interest calculate on 11,000 rupees. So this is 1,100 rupees. Okay. Now third year interest calculate on 11,000 plus 1,100 rupees, means 11,000 plus 11,000, 12,100. Interest calculate on 12,100 rupees. So interest, third interest is 100. Okay. So students, after 3 years total interest is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 310 rupees. Okay. So interest compounded interest different from simple interest. Simple interest after 3 years 3,000 rupees on same amount, but compounded interest different, 3,310 rupees. It means that compounded interest more than simple interest. Okay, remember always compounded interest more than simple interest. So after 3 years, we will pay to bank to clear the loan. To clear the loan, we pay to bank after 3 years principal plus interest. You know that this is called principal. Took as a loan from a bank 10,000. This is called principal. Interest is 3,310 rupees. The amount is 10,000 plus 3,000, 13,310 rupees. It means that we pay more than on compounded interest base when we take a loan from bank on compounded interest. So after 3 years we pay to bank more than on simple interest. Okay. So students, take care. Bye.